Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the myCADtools Cutting Optimization tool. This tool allows you to optimize a cutting list report from SOLIDWORKS weldment cut list or a list of cuts entered manually. As you can see, I've got a drawing open that contains a multi-body weldment part. So I'm going to activate my tool, Tools, myCADtools, Cutting Optimization. Once the tool is open, I'm going to create a new project. I'm going to give it a name, and I'm going to fill out the rest of the fields like project number, executed by, and date. Now I need to import my cut list table. So I'm going to select import SOLIDWORKS table. Then from my drawing, I have to click on the cut list that's been added. And over here, you can see it shows all the different profiles. And I can click OK. I'm going to merge the same length profiles. And over here, you can see I have my cut lengths. I'm going to right click on the color option and select set random colors so that each profile has its own color and it's a bit easier to read. Lastly, before I have to generate my report, I'm going to specify the lengths of my beams that I have to order. In this case, it's 6 meters per beam. Then I'm going to specify the blade width that is used to cut these beams and the wastage of cutting off of my material. Then lastly, I need to go and update my options. Set your file locations. In my report, I'm going to generate a graphic report and my driver is Microsoft Print PDF. I'm going to see a project summary, sheet cuts, list of parts order, and my time summary. I'm going to click OK and click report. Specify where I want to save my report and give it a name. Once it's done, you'll see that it has generated a PDF report. On the first page, I have a summary of my project cuts. Then I have a diagram showing the cuts per beam, and I have a complete summary of beams to order. Thank you for watching.